how are you all? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own water candles. This is an easy but beautiful DIY. So now let's see the materials required. So now let's move to the first step. Take a glass jar or a glass cup. So now let's add decorative materials in this. I'm adding beads and crystals. You can add whatever you wish. After adding the decorative materials in this, let's pour water in it. After pouring water in this, we have to add oil. I am adding coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you have. Now take a piece of plastic. You can also use OHB sheet. Now I have cut the plastic sheet here. So the next step is let's fit the cotton wick here. After keeping the cotton wick in the glass, now let's light up the candle. Now our candle is ready. Do like, share and subscribe to Art with AATHMI. Stay tuned. Bye.